Welcome back to the channel. I talk about crypto every single day, and in today's video we're focusing on Toshi, while also taking a look at what Bitcoin has been doing recently. Boom guys, we are here with AI hourly and AI automated trading, because let's be real, trying to trade this choppy market by yourself is tough. And right now we're seeing some meme coins, Toshi included, starting to rally back toward that $100 million market cap area again. Now, for my swing traders, this could be a really solid swing opportunity. Obviously, this is not financial advice. This is just how I personally see things potentially playing out. Mix that in with the fact that we've now had 4 consecutive red months, and honestly, I don't see us closing yet another month red. That would be kind of crazy. Overall, the market sentiment right now is extreme fear, single-digit fear and greed index levels. And guys, historically, those levels present some of the best buying opportunities. I don't say this often, but when fear is in the single digits, you always want to be accumulating, whether that's dollar cost averaging or strategic buys. Bitcoin around $60,000 the other day was a solid sniping entry. Ethereum hovering near $1,800 was also attractive. Full disclosure, me and the private Discord did accumulate some positions. If you want to be part of a private group where we actively swing trade, even in bearish conditions, because yes, it is possible to make money in a bear market, make sure you join Meme Coin Mastery. That's my private Discord where you get access to my buy and sell calls. The link will be down in the description. As always, past profits do not guarantee future results. Right now, Toshi is sitting around an $82 million market cap. If Bitcoin makes the move we're talking about, let's say a push toward 80K to 85K, you could absolutely see Toshi follow that momentum, potentially breaking back above 100 million. Let's jump over to Dex Screener so we can take a closer look. Boom, a 20% move for Bitcoin puts us around $85,000. A 25% move for Toshi puts us right at that $100 million market cap. And realistically, if Bitcoin pumps 20%, meme coins like Toshi often move more than that. That opens the door for a potential push toward the $150 million resistance area, which would be close to an 80% gain from here. Again, nothing here is confirmed. This is all speculation. I don't have a crystal ball. This entire scenario depends on Bitcoin's price action. Now shifting gears, President Trump's 2026 plan has reportedly leaked, and a lot of people think markets are going to pump straight into 2026. But I believe they may be wrong initially. Right now, the U.S. economy is already showing weakness. Layoffs are rising, bankruptcies are increasing, credit defaults are building, housing demand is collapsing, sellers are far outpacing buyers. Because of this, there's a real chance of a stock market correction within the next 2-3 months, similar to Q1 of 2025. In that scenario, the S&P could drop 10 to 15%, NASDAQ could drop 15 to 20%. And since crypto moves with stocks, crypto could see even bigger drawdowns, possibly a capitulation phase. During this crash, Trump is expected to shift blame to Jerome Powell, especially if the Supreme Court rules against his tariffs. Powell's term ends in May 2026, and Trump may want him completely off the Fed board. Once Powell exits and Kevin Warsh becomes Fed chair, easing is expected to begin. Warsh has already hinted at tools like yield curve control, which caps bond yields and makes borrowing cheaper. Cheaper borrowing equals more liquidity equals higher asset prices. At the same time, we could see a possible $2,000 tariff dividend, major tax cuts, crypto regulation clarity like the Clarity Act. All of this would be designed to pump stocks in crypto. Now add in the U.S. midterm elections in Q4 2026. Betting markets currently show Republicans struggling. If markets are pumping and Americans are receiving stimulus-like benefits, those odds could change fast. The market forgets everything once prices start going up. So the theory is, early 2026, correction and blame Powell, mid-2026, new Fed, liquidity easing, late 2026, market recovery into elections. This means the next few months could be rough, followed by accumulation, and then a stronger recovery into Q3 and Q4 of 2026. And unfortunately, meme coins will probably take the worst end of the stick during that volatility. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a beautiful day. God bless, take care, and peace out.